Hey, what's up YouTube? This is MFi. Got another case for you for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, this case is made by BENKS. This is the protective case. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take a quick look and see what this looks like. Okay, let's pull this out of the box. Well, before we do that, let's take a look at the box. You see you have here magnetic charging capable, great fit, foldable, not foldable, but flexible, anti-drop. All right, not melt just on the case there. I think this is a blue one. Let's pull this out of the box. It's packaged up pretty good, so we'll see. Hope it's not too difficult to get out. Okay, so they had this one wrapped up pretty tight, so it's a little difficult to get out, but this is the case. Nice blue. You see the MagSafe symbol right there. But this is the liquid protective case. Put this to the side. All right, here's the case right here. It's got a felt cover inside, very nice. And it's not too thick, but it's significant enough to protect you from bumps. You got your raised area for the camera right there. It's a silicone feel, so it's got some grip. It's a little sticky, and so it won't slide around your hands. Everything open up right there for your charging port and your grills. And you got your volume down rocker and your mute switch right there, and your power button right here. That's all covered. But nice looking color. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see what this looks like. Okay, so here's the device right here. Let's go ahead and pop it inside real quick. All right, so this is nice fit and feel, and it feels good in the hand, and it's not slippery. So, and if you want to get that blue color, you didn't get the blue phone, this might work for you. But this is a nice case. You got your lip there that's covered, that's raised up a little bit, so it's gonna protect your screen. No problem there. And the camera is well protected there as well, so it's raised up, no problem. Everything lines up on the bottom, all the ports in the speaker grill, and your mute switch is opened up, and you got your volume down rocker, power button, all of that works pretty well. Now these are nice cases that BENKS are making, and they fit really well. Great fit. And you know, I know Apple makes some silicone cases as well. That's pretty expensive. This might be an alternative for you, but this feels good though. All right, and you can get more colors as well. Let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. All right, let's put it on the charger. All right, so no problem there. Works. Now, this case is MagSafe compatible as well, right? So it's going to work with the MagSafe chargers too, as well. Okay, so that was a quick look at the MagSafe Magnetic protective case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, this case is made by BENKS. The case I've looked at so far have been pretty good. I haven't used them before, but I like what I've seen. And I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions here up in the comments, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is MFi. Out.